Ready? Come on. Let me hear you clap. Oh, happy day, Joe. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand out, stand by me, stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should stumble and fall, and the mountains should crumble to the sea, I'll cry, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand. Rehearse muna tayo, sabay-sabay. By me, come on. So darling, darling. Oh yeah. Oh, stand. Mukhang ready kayo ah. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Sino kaya? Oh, stand out. Oh, dito muna tayo. Hello po. Huwag kayo mahiya. Come on, sir. Ready ka, sir? Okay. Anong pangalan ni sir? Jonas. Palakpakan si Sir Jonas, ladies and gentlemen.
So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Kalinga! Oh, dito naman. Siyempre, kompletuhin natin to. Eto, madalas nangyayari to. Ayoko pag binigay mo yung mic whole verse sa kanya. Sino kaya? Oh, tita. Ikaw, gano'n. Si tita. What's your name, tita? Po. Taga-Usamis. Uy! Hello, hello. Oh, dilit na magpakaulong kanta. Yun mga ka, taga-Usamis. What the? Ladies and gentlemen, Ozamis City. Ayun, no? Ang dami kong friends eh. Ayun, no? Ayun. Dapat hindi ah. Hindi na. What's your name, bro? What's your name? Echo. Guys! Mukhang maraming fans si Echo ah. Let's hear it from Echo. Come on back. Wala akong ganun na. Pwede palang lagyan ng dapat pala ganun. Hindi ko alam yun na. Ayun. Asa naman tong mga silingan na Oslogaw sa Miss? Where is